It's 2021. So wish you all a very happy new year. But before wishing you happy new year, if I ask you to make a wish, definitely I'm sure that you will be wishing a vaccine or a miracle that can change our life and bring our life to normal phase. And we all want to throw this mask away. Many countries like India, America, Russia has started their human trials of vaccine. So the team of Coding Halt, me and Amritesh, we have decided a project that is vaccine management system, because you all gave a lot of love to our last COVID project that was how to check rate of infection. This management system is designed for a single hospital or COVID ward. This management system is designed in C++ language. Talking about the features of the vaccine management system, it can do the following tasks. It has fully generated inbuilt username and password system with auto-generated CAPTCHA code. Also, we can add vaccinated people's data, as well as we can count number of vaccines left with the hospital. In this project, we can search vaccinated people's data on the basis of Aadhaar number. Also, we can search on the basis of subcategories like gender, age and profession. Like, you can search how many people from age 20 got vaccinated and the list view. And you can also search how many males are there, how many females are there, and how many doctors are there. And many more research are going on this management system. So you can use this as your college project or as your school project, because we are providing source code for free. So for source code, you can mail us at codinghalt@gmail.com, or you can DM us on Instagram codinghalt. So watch the full practical demonstration of program, which is explained by the project management of team Coding Halt. Also, we want to thank Shruti for her wonderful contribution in this program. So don't waste a single second. Let's go to Amritesh for practical demonstration of program.
Thank you, Hemant. We are on our computer screen now. You can see few lines of codes. Let me first build and run the program. It will take some time because number of lines of codes are there. So here it comes. You can see that vaccine management system powered by Coding Halt. You can press any key. You can just simply press any key to continue. After pressing any key, you will be redirected to login page. In this login page, you will be asked username and password. This username and password is predefined. That means it is inbuilt in the code. I have kept that A, username, and password will be B. After you will pressing enter, you will be given a captcha. This captcha will be auto generated by the system itself. Like if I doesn't press any correct captcha, I press the wrong captcha, you will be given with the message you can try only 2 times more. Means we have designed it that after 3 attempts the whole screen will be blocked. Let me just do a 3 attempt. Like A, I kept a password B, okay, and you can see that in password, if you press any key, the password will not be shown on the screen. This means that star is not a password. Password is different thing. Like if I press any key, you can see that star is being made in the password section. So that is also a coding portion. This means that password is not a star. Okay. Like I press any key, then again captcha will be generated. I again press any captcha. See, you can see that you can try one more time. Okay. This time let me also give a wrong password. Like I will be giving this one, and captcha again will be generated 4491. You can see the difference that every time the captcha is not same. It is auto generated. Means the system is generating the captcha. After that, if I press any key, you are blocked for 1 minute. Try after 57 seconds. Here you can see that the timer is going on. That means you can try in next 52 seconds or 51 seconds. If I cut the program and again run this program, again we will be at our login screen only. Let me show you. Yeah, here it comes. Let me increase. Here you can see that press any key, username. This time I will be entering a correct one. The password will be B. I have kept the username A and the password B. When the source code will be given, please note it down. The password username is A and password is B, small b. After that captcha is being generated, I will write the correct captcha 4641. Okay, fine. Here then you will be redirected to main page. In this main page you can add new record, view vaccine data, search data and exit. Let me start with option number 1. In option number 1, you will be adding some person data who is going to be vaccinated in that hospital. Like let me add my data only. Like I will not get the vaccine, but let me add enter your Aadhaar number. Right now I will be entering Aadhaar number as my 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, fine. Gender, after gender your age. Okay, 45. My age is not 45, but okay, 20. Fine. Student, D and T. Student. Okay. Enter your BP. You can enter randomly. This is designed for the hospital. In hospital, some of the precautions and some of the normal checkups will be there before taking the vaccines. Like enter your temperature. Okay, 98. Permanent address. Address is very important because government want to store the data that which area we have vaccinated, or which age we have vaccinated, or which professions we have vaccinated. Okay, fine. I have entered the data. Enter your mobile number. Yeah, mobile number is a very important part. Okay, I have entered my mobile number, and here it comes. Your data has been entered successfully. Means my data is being added successfully. Likewise, let's move to option number 2. What option number 2 does? Like if a government has allotted 200 vaccines to that hospital, what that option number 2 will do, let us check also. Option number 2, here you can see that vaccine status, means the status of vaccines in that hospital. Add more if you want to add more vaccines. In this program we have given 200 as a default value, means 200 vaccines are allotted to that hospital. If you want to add more, you can add more. If you want to view the ability of that vaccine, means how much vaccines are available to that hospital, you can simply press option 2. Let me show you option 2. Here you can see the message. The available number of vaccines are 199. This means that 200 vaccines we are there. 200 vaccines are there with that hospital. If we add one record, then number of vaccines decreases. Minus 1. That 200 minus 1, we are left with 199 vaccines. That was the logic to build this whole program. If we add one more data, the number of vaccines left will be 198. If you're gonna add one more data, then this number of available vaccines will be get minus. Okay, again you will be redirected to the main page. If I again press option number 2, and if I want to add more vaccines, like I have left with only 2 vaccines or 3 vaccines, I have to order the vaccine from the company, and after that I have to add in this program. So I will press option 2. Enter the number of vaccine you want to add, means how much vaccines you have ordered for your hospital. Like I ordered 100 vaccines, the data comes. Now the total number of vaccines are 299. 299 vaccines are in stock with that hospital. Fine. After that, searching part will be there. Like option number 3, I press. Then there will be 4 options. If you want to search the person by Aadhaar, by age, by profession, or by gender. Like if I press by Aadhaar, okay, enter your Aadhaar number. Like when I was entering my data, I put my Aadhaar number as 1234. Sorry, Aadhaar number not found, means I have written something more, 123. Okay, let me do it once more. See that after that data will not found, it will not take it again. You have to again go to the main menu, and after that you have to come at the searching stats. Okay, we will be performing again option number 1. Like I have kept 123, I guess so. Okay, 123 is also not found. Okay, let me do it once more. I think I have 2, 3, 4, 5. This also. Okay, fine. We will check that. In searching portion also you can perform one more thing, like by age. See, you can see that by age 20, Amritesh, Aadhaar number 1, 2. Sorry, I have not written 3. You can see that 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, age 20, profession student, BP itna. Means this data is being stored in the list view. Likewise, number of people vaccinated by this age is 1. Likewise, if government want to make stats like how many peoples of age 20 are being vaccinated, you have to do nothing. You have to just click on option number 3 and you have to enter the age, and you will find that this much people are being vaccinated of age 20 here you can see the number and their details in the list view also. Likewise, if I show you option number here, by age we have done it, by Aadhaar. Let us see by Aadhaar. Like I have entered 1, 2, not 3, 4, 5. I have entered this detail. So you can see that name is Amritesh, Aadhaar number is. This whole data you can search it. So I think this will be very helpful for the government to check the data and search the data and proceed their best out to vaccinate the peoples of India. Like also, if I show you option number 3, the government want the stats that by gender how many males and females are being vaccinated in this locality or this area. So you will be pressing option number 4, and if you will be entering M, so you can see that one male is being vaccinated and that is Amritesh Tiwari. Okay, fine. Again I press option number 3, in again searching by profession. If you want to search by profession, likewise government has issued that first we will be vaccinating to the frontline workers like doctors, police, and after that we will be vaccinating to the older people of more than age 50 or more than age 60. After that the whole steps are being made. So here you can search the data in that hospital when people come to vaccinate. By the age of 20, how many people are being vaccinated? By the profession of student, how many students are being vaccinated? You can search, get it through list view in this program. So the main motive of this program was to design this for a single hospital or a single locality, so that government or that hospital or that area will be in proper monitoring with the staff of that hospital, and the people will be vaccinated in a proper way or in a step way which the government has decided. Likewise, you can play with the codes. We will be giving you the codes. There is not a big deal. This code is totally free. You can check it the description box. Let me show if you add one more data. Let me do that. Likewise, if I am entering, let it be anything. Aadhaar number please 789. Okay. Gender I am entering F. Okay. Enter by age. Age I am entering 60. Okay, fine. Profession XYZ जो भी हो. BP I am entering 90. And temperature 90. Permanent address again I am entering Bhopal. Mobile number anything. Your data has been entered successfully. Likewise, you can add more data as much as the hospital wanted. So if again I come you to option number 2, that view vaccine stats, you can see that available number of vaccines are 198. Okay, fine, that 200 was default. Two data I have added, so it becomes 198. Fine. Okay, this was the whole program. If you like the video, then just give us a thumbs up, and do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day. We will be meeting you with the new codes and new idea of programming in the C++ model. Right now we are also working on Python. Soon you will see us with a Python project. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day, and stay safe, stay secure, and involve yourself in government process in being vaccinated. So take a vaccine. After taking a vaccine, don't feel that you are totally secure. No, again you have to follow the government guidelines, that wear mask, maintain social distancing. So thank you, have a nice day, and have a great health. Thank you.